G'day Jaffa Adventurers, Terry King here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a very short video on a solution for shoes and rooftop tents. So what I've been doing at the moment, which is far from ideal, is when we go up into the tent, we simply hang our shoes on these shovel holders at the moment. And as I said, that's far from ideal. There's two of us up there, there's only two shovel holders, and you got to get two shoes on each one. So the simple solution I'm going to show you today is a little shelf. Now I could fabricate one myself, but you know what? I just can't be jacked doing that today. So I've actually bought a shelf and I'll show you what I've got now. Now I got to give a shout out to a fellow 200 series cruiser owner, Dean Cube, who put me onto this Clearview shelf. Now that's actually designed to hang off the back of a fridge, but I'm going to use that, and Dean has used that, to put shoes on. So let's have a look at what we got in here. Look at that, they give you a sexy little bag that's all embroidered and everything. Far out. Alright, so that's what the shelf looks like. These two arms simply pop out. They've got slots in them which hook into your frame. So when installed, it's going to sit something like that. And that gives quite a large platform to put shoes on. Now, as I said, I've gone out and bought this. This is certainly not a cheap option. I think this shelf was around about 80 or 90 bucks. But like I said, I couldn't be jacked fabricating something of my own. In fact, I've got to fabricate the bracket for this thing to hook onto. So that's going to be enough fabrication for me today. And hey, check this out. You'll never guess where this little sucker is made. Yep, you got her. All right, let's hook into fabricating a bracket for this to hang on to, and we'll get stuck into this. All right, first things first, I got to mount this shovel in here to make sure that that shelf doesn't interfere with the end of the shovel. All right, there's our shovel mounted. Let's see whether our shelf will clear that. It will. Very good. Now I'll take a bit of tape and mark where the end of that shovel is so that I don't put the bracket in the wrong location. And we'll put a nickel pen marker to show which edge that I'm using, because I'll forget. All right, I've got myself a simple solution. I got a little bit of box section, aluminium box section here that I just got out of my scrap bin. And I think I'll affix the box to the side of the tent, and then the Clearview will simply slide in like that. But let's get it chopped up anyway. Let's start there. Here we have it, two box sections. I'll just clean them out with a file, and we'll pop them on the side of the tent temporarily and see how they go. There we have it, all cleaned up. All right, let's slide on our two bits of box section. Flip this sucker over and just do a test location fit. So I'll drill and anchor that one there. Then I'll measure center to center over here and do the same. Drill and anchor our second one there. So I'm getting ready to mount these up on the tent, and you know what? My OCD got the better of me. I think I'm going to paint them the same color as the tent. They'll just blend in a little bit better and won't sort of stick out like the proverbial, damn you OCD, All right, I got a tiny little gun here that holds about 100 mil. This is 2-pack, base clear. So we've got clear, hardener, base. So I'll mix up maybe 50 mil max. Let's pop that in the gun and shoot it. I'll lay down 2 coats of base and probably 2 coats of clear. Now we'll mix up our clear. It's 2-to-1 clear to hardener. And a little bit, 10% thinners on top of that maybe. Pop that in our gun. Away we go. Now the first coat of clear will be quite a thin coat, just to create a sticky tape type effect. Here's our second and final coat of clear. There we have it, all done. All right, it's 24 hours later. Our clear coat is dried, and those are ready to be installed on the car. And that should satisfy my OCD. They came out pretty bloody good. So not only will I prop rivet these, but I will stick some double-sided tape on them as well. Now we'll just drill a hole in that double-sided tape. That'll allow the pop rivet to get in there. Test fit our pop rivets. Beautiful. And we've got a level to make sure that it's level. There. Now that's just very lightly stuck on there at the moment. We'll get our pop rivet gun. Gotcha. Whew. That was not easy. These bloody stainless steel pop rivets are a bugger. You want to install, fold your 2 sides out, slot them into our 2 brackets, done. How easy is that? So there's what we've got. Plenty of room for 2 pairs of boots or 2 pairs of shoes. And it's right outside the door of the tent. Perfect. So we want to put this away. Yoink. Fold in the 2 sides like that, and you're done. Well, that's it, Jeff Adventures. I trust you enjoyed this small little tech video. Can you do this a lot cheaper? Absolutely you can. As I said early on in the video, I wasn't feeling the fabrication today, so I went out and bought one of these. Again, thank you to Dean Cube who put me onto this. I don't have any affiliation with these Clearview guys. I paid full retail for this, and as I said, it was dear. It was 80 or 90 bucks, but there we've got it. An easy, simple, quick shoe solution for your rooftop tent. Keep the sand out of your tent. Thanks for following along, everybody. Keep the shiny side up. We'll see you on the trails. Have a good one.